Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Toyota Yaris wiper blades. First, make sure your car is off and the wipers are in their parked position. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. It's a good idea to place a thick towel or cardboard on your windshield just in case the arm accidentally springs back. This simple step protects your glass from any potential damage. Now, let's get that old blade off. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade either down or up, depending on the design, to detach it from the arm. Remember to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit your windshield, which could cause a crack. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This ensures your new blade is ready for action. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto your windshield. Make sure it rests gently. Now, turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers to test them out. Observe their movement across the glass. You want to see smooth, streak-free wiping across the entire windshield. If everything looks good, you're all set with your new, clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.